Hello everyone, I am Matthew and I'm from Manila, Philippines. I am presenting today my final requirement in CS50P. This is a Python command line utility for simple custom encryption. The title of my project is Cipher Decipher. So it uses a substitution cipher based on a character's Unicode number or called its ordinal value. So now I will demonstrate how the script works. So first, let's open the script without argument, and then you see here that it also handles error. So it will instruct you to have a flag of E for encryption, or if you want to encrypt a message, or D for decryption if you want to decrypt a message. Well, let's start with encrypting message. I will type Python, then project.py, and then flag of E. You can always terminate the program using keyboard interrupt. Let's type this is CS50P. Then after we press enter, you will see loading bars. This is just for animation. And here below is the resulting cipher. So this is just a complex looking stream of numbers and random spacers having no obvious patterns. The numbers here at the result are the message or the ordinal values that we will be converting back to character form if we want to decipher the message later. So the symbols are just for noise so that we will not be having a obvious pattern for obvious reason. Now let's go to decryption. The decryption process uses regular expressions to intelligently strip all those symbols out, leaving only the numbers behind. So to decrypt the message, we use the D flag. We paste our long cryptic code back here, and then the program quickly isolates the numbers, converts those 3-digit blocks back into characters. And then here you will see that after pressing enter, it will deliver the message with a bit of fun. So thanks to the Causa library, it will have a random character that shouts your original message loud and clear. And that's it. Cipher Decipher is just a simple demonstration of string manipulation, introduction of native functions like ord and character, regular expressions for cleaning data, and leveraging fun third-party libraries like Causa. Once again, this is my final project, and thank you CS50 Python.